Wheeled Excavators Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global compound harmless feed additive market size will be $21,542.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.5% from 2024 to 2031. North compound harmless feed additive market size of $8,617.00 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe compound harmless feed additive market size of $6,462.7 million. Asia Pacific compound harmless feed additive market size of $4,954.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America compound harmless feed additive market size of $1,077.13 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa compound harmless feed additive market size of $430.85 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.